Hello amazing people, thrilled to have you here today. In today's walkthrough, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 6 divided by 6 over 20, then times 20. First we do this multiplication. 6 over 20 times 20. We can easily cancel this 20 and this 20. So here we have this 6 only, and 6 divided by 6 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 6 divided by 6 over 20. To do this division, write down the 6, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 20 over 6. And here again we have times 20. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 6 and this 6, which gives 20. And here again we have times 20. So here we have this 20 times 20, which equals 400. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe for more fun.